Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to export Obsidian nodes and import it to OneNote. So let's get straight into it. Now first here in Obsidian what we are going to do is simply, this one is simply we select the node. Then we will go here to the top right corner where you see these three vertical dots, more option, click on it, and then we will select here export to PDF. Just like that. Okay, export to PDF. Save it on your computer, and now we can go to the OneNote. So just like that, I created new section here. And what we are going to do next is go here to the top tab here, insert tab, and then select file printout. I will select here this PDF file which we have exported from Obsidian, and now I have imported right into OneNote. As you can see, it is like picture right here, and also you have here a file attachment, so you can open up. Now if you want only text here, you can just open this file and copy the text from it to OneNote. So if I copy it from here and paste it right here, obviously it won't be as it is right here, but still it's one way that we get text from this file. So this is basically it, how to import into OneNote. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank